This portion of the news is brought to you by Inspiration Senior Living, where we provide affordable elegance to Pahrump area seniors. Give us a call at 751-2300 and make an appointment to tour our community.
The most common operation done worldwide is the cesarean or C-section. In order to see better health outcomes in the mid-1980s, the World Health Organization recommended that member countries' C-section rates shouldn't exceed 10 to 15%. A new study evaluated the relationship between current cesarean section rates around the world and key health outcomes for mothers and babies.
This health tip is brought to you by
Desert View Hospital and Mountain Valley Physicians Group. Don't put your health on hold. We have time for you. Call us to schedule your appointment. 775-751-7100.
Chances are the mothers of many of these babies underwent a cesarean or C-section birth.
Almost 1 out of every 5 births on the planet occur via cesarean section.
Poorer countries were actually doing more C-sections as a proportion of all the care that they were providing compared to wealthier countries.
Doctors Alex Haynes and George Molina from Ariadne Labs at Brigham and Women's Hospital and co-authors gathered publicly available data from the 194 World Health Organization member countries. Using this information, they estimated 2012 C-section rates worldwide and examined how those rates affected maternal and neonatal health outcomes.
Up to a rate of about 19 C-sections per 100 live births, we see reductions in maternal and neonatal mortality.
Across the world, the average cesarean section rate is over 19%. Going from 19 to 25 to 30% did not result in improvements in neonatal or maternal mortality on a nationwide level. There are many countries where not enough cesarean sections are being performed, meaning there's inadequate access to safe and timely emergency obstetric care. And conversely, that there are some countries where probably more cesarean sections are being performed than yield health benefits.
The authors cautioned that these findings do not apply to any individual patients, facilities, or hospitals.
Our research could give some guidance for why countries should make their healthcare systems stronger so that they can provide safe, reliable, and timely C-sections.
Catherine Dolf, The JAMA Report.
Thank you so much, Catherine. This study suggests that World Health Organization target rates for cesarean section may be too low and need to be re-examined. Senate Republicans voted against barring suspected terrorists, felons, and the mentally ill from getting guns on Thursday afternoon, parroting National Rifle Association arguments that doing so would strip some innocent people of their constitutional rights to gun access. A pair of Democratic measures, one to close background check loopholes to make it harder for felons and the mentally ill from buying guns, another to ban those on the terror watch list from buying guns, both went down in flames against near unanimous GOP opposition. Nevada Governor Brian Sandoval is hitting back at comments from California Governor Jerry Brown, who made comments about other states' gun laws after the deadly shooting in San Bernardino. Brown said that Nevada and Arizona's loser gun laws are a gigantic backdoor through which any terrorist can walk. The San Bernardino attackers purchased some of their weapons legally in California. An Act of Kindness Award was presented to our local Toys for Tots this morning.
I am so glad to be here with the people that are representing Toys for Tots for the town of Pahrump. It is so important that we remember our kids during this time of year. And Toys for Tots have been a part of my background for a long time. I'm not a Marine, but having been in the military, having seen what the Marines do with Toys for Tots, this has always been something very close to my heart. So I am very honored to present to the Toys for Tots today the Andre Butch Harper Act of Kindness Award. You guys have done so much, and you deserve so much. And this award says, in memory of Andre Butch Harper, the Act of Kindness Award presented to Toys for Tots. Thanks for putting a smile on a child's face. From the citizens of Pahrump, Nevada, no act of kindness is ever wasted. So for all of you, Richard and your team, I'd like to present this award to you, for all of you, for all you do for Toys for Tots, town of Pahrump, and the county of Nye. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Congratulations. Pahrump Valley Auto Plaza hosted the annual Lions Club Breakfast with Santa.
We had breakfast with Santa this morning, sponsored by the Lions Club, and we had many children and their parents come through today. We fed them pancakes and sausage and milk and juice and hot cocoa, and they had a blast. They had a chance to see Santa. Santa was here. He gave out candy canes, and the kids turned in some letters to Santa this morning. So it's been real fun.
That's what you guys are doing too, also letters to Santa.
Yes.
So if they missed this event, they can still do that, right?
Absolutely. There's a huge post office box outside the post office, main post office on Postal Road. And the children can drop off letters there inside that box, and the post office will get those to us. And those children will get a letter back from Santa if we have contact information, and a gift, hopefully something close to what's on their list.
And that's really important, that contact information, right?
Yes, it is. If we don't know who you are or where you are, Santa can't come and deliver to you. So it's important that we know your name, your address, are you a boy or a girl, what your age is. We try to gear it towards the individual child.
If people would like to just write Santa, they don't need an address or anything, just put Santa Claus on it, the post office is delivering.
Absolutely. You can put anything on there. You can address it to Rudolph, to Santa, to the elves, it doesn't matter, to the North Pole. However you address your letter.
What's the deadline?
We'll get it. The deadline is December the 15th. So all of those that we receive by then, we will be able to take care of. We have many elves out there taking care of shopping and wrapping and delivering.
Are you still looking for donations?
We will always gratefully accept donations to help this project, yes.
How can they contact you?
You can call 702-279-0697. That's the biggest elf of all. His name is Larry the Elf. And he would be happy to speak with you.
News 46 will return in just a moment.